Hi everybody, today I have Nissan Altima 2003. This car has check engine light on. Okay, and other problem besides check engine light, sometimes in first start, like the car starts to shake and hesitate, and customer complain about this problem. Car came, everything fine, nothing wrong except check engine light. I pull the code out, I find both two codes, one for CAT efficiency and the other code random misfire. Really, random misfire, no easy to find it, but CAT, I don't care about CAT now because CAT different issues occur almost like 140,000 miles, meaning CAT have to replace, but this is not the rear issue. Yeah, turn the light on, but doesn't affect anything about the customer complaint. Anyway, now I have to go do some test. I expect ignition coil bed, and I start to check the ignition coil. Now easy to check the ignition coil to use the amp clamp, low amp, 20 amp, and I start to check ignition coil. This old ignition coil, original for the car. If you see the wave here, the waveform, like this ignition coil, like 8 amp, like look how looks like the wave for ignition coil. Here build and leave. I have used ignition coil from other car. I keep it. This good ignition coil I bought already. If you see here how looks the wave looks different, and this like sharp than this better wave. If we go here, this ignition coil customer already changed it before. Oh, here, this way.